afternoon. I'm Spencer Cramer, founder and CEO of ei3. I'm very pleased to be talking to you today from the show floor of Fachpack in Nuremberg, Germany, where together with Lenza, we're offering some very exciting services that enable machine building companies, large and small, to take advantage of Industry 4.0 and offer digital services to their customers. So let's just take a moment and talk about what we mean when we say Industry 4.0. Really, from our point of view, there's four things that we can offer in terms of value drivers. One is we can provide a secure platform for remote service of equipment. That's connecting technicians to machines in a secure way that's audible and traceable, that enables the machine owners to know that the machines are only being accessed by the people they want when they want. Two is gathering data from machines and storing that data in the cloud to perform advanced analytics where the data is analyzed and computed into numbers that can provide deeper insight into the operation of the machines. Three, tracking the data in the cloud, we're able to also identify energy savings. And four, we have a full cloud-based quality management system. Now, it's interesting that these services can be provided to a customer as a software subscription service through the internet. And that has a number of advantages over having an in-the-house system running. It doesn't require maintenance, it doesn't require IT assets to be purchased, and it doesn't require expensive software licenses. And most importantly, it doesn't require complex custom programming. These services can be delivered for a modest monthly subscription fee, enabling a very scalable way to get your machine's data online. Let me show you how we do it. Let's walk over to the ei3 machine, which is running on the show floor. You can see this machine has a number of controllers and also servo drives and motors. The ei3 machine also has this black box here in the middle. This is a security appliance developed by ei3. ei3 has been doing this since 1999 and was started when a group of IT security professionals met with a group of machine control specialists, and through that combination was able to create a secure way to connect to machines and transmit data through the cloud. So the solution starts with this security appliance. It can be put on a machine. It's DIN rail mounted. It takes a 24-volt control signal, and it is easily pre-configured so that it does not require an IT specialist to visit the customer site to set the device up. Once the device is online and the machine is connected, data is then routed through the ei3 secure network to one of our 3 data centers. We have 3 data centers. One is in Europe, one is in Asia, and one is in the United States. These data centers have equipment that we own so that we're providing a private cloud which is hosting both the data storage, disaster recovery backup, and the applications that convert data from the machines into valuable, actionable information. We're going to show you some of those apps now. The first app is our application for secure remote service. Here I'm going to connect to the ei3 machine right next to me here on the show floor, but connect to it by going through our secure data center. I select a key, I click on the key, I define the reason why I want to connect to the machine. In this case, I'm going to say operator support. I say create and connect. What's happening right now is a dedicated VPN is being made from my desktop computer to the machine controls which are operating on the ei3 machine right next to me. I can see the devices that are on the machine network. I can see how their communications are running, and I can go in and I can put journal notes that describe the work that I'm doing during my session. Once all the session work is done, I close it up. I give a quality rating for the performance of the network for the session and end it. At ei3, we track the quality of every service session so we know what parts of the world have good network connectivity and what parts need special attention. I also have a dashboard which I can provide for the machine manager or the manager of the service department, which will show key performance metrics about how my install base of equipment is being serviced around the world. When a service session is active, you'll see a flashing green light like this one, and when it's passive, you'll just see a dot indicating it. But again, I'm showing you that all of these service sessions are traceable and auditable. Also, there's a report which is ready to be provided to the end customer showing the amount of activity. But it's more than just service, it is also data. I can take the data points from my machine control program, those data points that have value to the machine, and I can program them into this site. From there, I have the ability to look at them in real time, as I'm showing you here, and I can chart them. I can see how the different parameters interrelate with charting tools very similar to the charting tools that I would have if I was physically on the site. I can export the data to Excel, and then I can start to take this data and add more value. For example, I can do downtime tracking, where I look at machine stop reasons, I can apply the stop reasons, and then I can do advanced analytics showing stop reasons, comparing it for this machine, but also maybe all the easy machines in the world. So I can start to really see how this machine compares to its peers. I also have the ability to analyze when faults occur, what was happening to the machine just prior to those faults. And through that analysis, I can make models where I can do predictive modeling of the machine so that the next time the same conditions occur, I can send an email to the right person at the right place at the right time to take action to go in and avoid having that fault create unplanned downtime, boosting asset utilization. These and other applications really provide a lot of value to the end customer. And a machine builder who makes the effort to put this into their solution stands to benefit because they will surely get their investment back for the hardware to get the network started if they can save just one field service trip to their customer. And we see that they can save up to 80% of the field service trips to the customer. So there's real value there. The OEM can also provide these web pages as a software subscription to the end customer, developing a recurring revenue business, a new revenue stream. So it enables the OEM to become intimate with the end customer for a long-term basis, and that promotes great business relationships, better spare parts sales, and helps get that future machine order, which are all things that are important to the OEMs. So that's in a nutshell what we have here today. We're very excited to be showing it to the customer market, and we're very pleased to see the enthusiastic response that we've seen so far. Thank you for your time.